Sri Pramod Boro. Sri Pramod Boro.
थैंक यू सर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। ये बिल जो एमएसएमई डेवलपमेंट बिल 2026 नोटिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में सर मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ। ये बहुत बढ़िया बिल है सर। इसमें नोटिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कुछ सुझाव है मेरी तरफ से। सर फर्स्ट द इंट्रोड्यूस ए क्लाइमेट रेजिलेंट क्लोजेस। Our entrepreneurs are remarkably resilient despite facing various natural disasters. To safeguard them, we may introduce a disaster-linked credit adjustment clause, providing the structured loan repayment flexibility and interest relief during natural calamities. Point number 2, sir, expand initial access to capital. While the bill focus on resolving delaying payment is a significant milestone, we can build on this by easing entry-level collateral-free credit for our rural units that are just starting out. Microfinance institutions may also be added in the ecosystem so that credit flow is easier for this sector. Sir, empowered traditional heritage economy by providing special clauses for sericulture, handloom weavers, artisan and tourism-linked MSME will help the units to directly connect to national market, strengthening physical infrastructure. सर इसमें मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ ये MSME को लिंक विद द स्किल इंडिया डिजिटल हब पोर्टल. दिस will help MSME unit to get success to skilled manpower pool. This is something that the MSME would not be able to afford on its own. The ministry can work with Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to develop a common roadmap under which skill upgradation requirement of MSME can be integrated close to the skill gap. Sir, the setting up an MSME facilitation center in Kokrajhar and strategic new branches across Northeast India will bring the government hand-holding straight to the doorstep of our youth. Sir, with this inclusive regional enhancement, this landmark legislation will successfully power an Amrit Atmanirbhar Northeast and a strong India. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.